This is a breathing technique na nakita kong ginawa ni Lucas, so I tried it. So marami nagtatanong para saan yan at paano gawin yan. Okay, siguro narinig mo na ang term na diaphragmatic support and that is what I'm trying to achieve. Di ba pag kumakanta tayo, kailangan natin ng puwersa? Lalo na sa mga matataas at mahahabang notes. Kadalasan sa pag-inhale natin, we are expanding our chest. Diyan natin kinukuha yung puwersa or suporta. Ang consequence niyan, mabilis kang mapapaos because you are putting attention sa lalamunan mo na katabi lang ng chest mo. Instead na sa chest ilalagay yung support, we need to engage the diaphragm. Diyan tayo kukuha ng suporta. Sige, subukan natin. Sorry na sa pataples, sobrang init talaga. Besides, I just want you to see how does it work. Step 1, inhale. Yung lahat ng hangin, ilagay mo sa tiyan. Step number 2, engage the diaphragm. Take note, hindi natin sasadyain i-push paloob yung tiyan. We will just try to contract the abdominal muscle to engage yung diaphragm. Try mo umubo. Yung feeling na para ka ring napupoop, yan dapat yung nafe-feel mo habang kumakanta. What it does, it will help you to sing without tension. It helps you to sustain a longer note and it will retain the good resonance sa tunog mo.
Can I lay by your side?
Hindi ako 100% confident but I assure you, it really helps.